is Hannah. Welcome back to my channel, Pretty Hippie Me. And listen, I'm not gonna say that I completely forgot about Halloween because of a bunch of stuff that was going on in my personal life that was distracting and overwhelming me, but I kind of forgot about Halloween. And I feel like this happens to me every year, where I always end up trying to do something last minute. So I figured, you know what? Let's vlog about it. One of my favorite places to go last minute Halloween costuming is a thrift store. So I've driven to the Goodwill that is closest to my job. I'm hoping I can go inside and find some good stuff for Halloween this year. I need to conjure up some images, some inspiration, some characters that I might want to dress up as. We can go for some classics like a vampire, a ghost, a pirate, a spy, a ninja, those kind of archetypal characters, I guess. And then there's always Disney princesses, but those types of fancy dresses are hard to find, especially because I'm tall and I'm plus sized, so I'd be surprised if I find anything in my size anyways. I also have a little thing in my mind about maybe being one of the girls from Scooby-Doo, because my boyfriend has a t-shirt that makes him look a lot like Shaggy. He's a real Shaggy, my boyfriend. And I know that Daphne is more like Fred's girl, but maybe I can be like Velma? I'm more of a Velma than a Daphne anyways, I think. And then we can do a couple thing. It'll be cute. But anyway, so all these thoughts are percolating in my head, and I'm gonna go into Goodwill and see what's there. This is the Goodwill where I have a muse. Every time I come to this Goodwill, I always find stuff in my size, in my style, because I think that there is a fashionable woman who lives in this area who goes through a lot of clothing and donates a lot of it to Goodwill. So I'm hoping that my muse somewhere here in Eastern Connecticut has made a donation recently, so I'll actually be able to find some nice things that fit me. I have so many ideas. Let's see how many costumes we can come up with inside Goodwill. Let's go.
I headed into Goodwill with a lot of ideas, a lot of excitement, and since they were advertising themselves as the Halloween headquarters this fall, I also had a lot of high expectations. However, as soon as I got in there, I got kind of overwhelmed. I had so many ideas that it became hard to choose one and try to connect the items in my hands to the ideas that I had. While I'm shopping in this video, you're going to notice there are a lot of items that I pause and look at and I'm like, oh, this is pretty, this is interesting, this is cool, but I can't quite figure out if it belongs in a costume or not. So if there's anything that you see that I skip over in this video that you think could make a great costume of some kind, put it in the comments below. Please, I would love to see your ideas. Bonus points if you put the timestamp for the item that you're commenting about. I think the best place for me to start is in the dresses, because one, that's usually where I find items from my muse, but also it might be a great place to find an easy full body costume. Okay, XL is there. I'm gonna look in double XL, because usually that's where they'll put the plus items as well. This is kind of cool looking, but I don't really know what it would work for. It's a cool sweater thing with a cool sleeve from Lane Bryant. I don't know. Pretty. Could be something. I don't know. I think I'll pick this up and think about it. Oh, there's another one of those sweaters. And another one. Okay. Simple black dress. Could be the base for something. This is pretty, but I'm just confused. I'm not inspired immediately. Ooh, torrid size 3. Hi. This is a lining. This is the lining of a dress. Oh God. This is pretty, but yeah. This is pretty. See, there's a lot of pretty things that don't necessarily inspire me about a costume, though, After a thorough look through the dress department, where I found a few cute dresses, so I just know that my muse must have donated recently, I was starting to narrow down my ideas, especially after I went to the skirt department and found this long teal beauty. Just seeing it gave me a perfect costume idea and helped direct my shopping. The same with this orange sweater that I found in the sweater department. It was exactly what I needed for a different costume idea. I think that finding bold pieces like this is exactly what you need to do when you're last-minute Halloween shopping at a thrift store or otherwise. Every type of costume has a signature piece: a red hood and cape for Little Red Riding Hood, a white coat for a doctor, a crown for a princess. Those elements that make it really clear exactly what type of character you're going for. And when you find those pieces, the rest of the pieces don't have to be exactly perfect, because people get the idea from the signature piece. Once I had found my signature pieces for 3 different types of costumes, I was able to breeze through the racks and pick up those secondary pieces that would complete the look. Then finally I headed to the dressing room. Okay, so this mirror is painfully small. My apologies in advance. I got into the dressing room. They're still doing that thing where they close it an hour early, but thankfully I got in before they closed it. So first of all, this is today's outfit, which I've gotten multiple compliments on. I have a video all about how to style ruanas. I'm wearing mine right now. I call this outfit Autumn Has Arrived in Connecticut, because indeed, thank God I got my winter clothes out this past weekend, because it has dropped to so cold. But if you want some ruana styling tips and you want to see how I got it to be this beautiful cape, I will link that video above in a card, and maybe I'll also put it in the description. Anyway, I didn't have a ton of time to look around, but I was able to put together 3 outfits for 3 different characters, so let me show those to you. Okay, so I think this navy blue dress is a really pretty thrift store find. The top of it, if you can see, it's like this crocheted fabric up until the waist, and then you've got a nice fullness here. I think it's really pretty. And I decided it would be a good base for a Belle costume, but thinking of the live action version where the blue dress is a little darker, like a navy blue, because that's what this is. I found this white t-shirt. It's actually really pretty. It has these like ruffles down the front, which are covered by the dress, but it felt very French to me. Put my hair back like this, and I have a hack for if you don't have a white apron in your life, you grab a cardigan. Okay? Well, how do I film this? I don't know how that just looked on camera, but I just tied the cardigan around my waist. It's the same, because sometimes you don't want to get a white apron, or your white apron is dirty, or the cardigan is cheaper than the white apron. So this is Peasant Belle, found at Goodwill. Let's go on to another one. Okay, I had to take my hair back out for this one. This is a kind of loose interpretation of Mermaid Ariel. The shoes do not work as well for this outfit. They were perfect for the last one though. I didn't mean to do a bunch of like Disney princesses, but it's just so easy. But this is the last Disney gal. Got a nice tank top for the summery feel, especially if you have a warmer Halloween than we do here in New England. And then this maxi skirt is a nice like teal color, robin color, but I specifically like the bottom has these stripe details that also have like little sparkles in them. There's like little rhinestone embellishments down there if you can see, and I feel like that adds to the ocean kind of mermaid feel. And if I wasn't at Goodwill right now, I would probably find some better, more summery shoes to wear, or maybe something nude, a little nude flat or pump or something, depending on where I'm going. Ariel outfits can be hard to find when you're plus sized, so honestly, I'm pretty proud of this one. Not bad for like 30 minutes at Goodwill. Let's go to the last outfit. Do you know who I am? Can you guess? Okay, hold on. Okay, so I've been trying to keep my mask on because, I don't know, I feel like I'm breathing on clothes that other people will wear, and the CDC is still saying even if you have the vaccine, it's still wise to wear your mask in public, but I can't do the glasses and the mask. And I'm vaccinated, so I don't feel so bad about taking it off for just a few seconds while I talk about this. So, if you can't tell, this is my Daphne outfit. The skirt is so short. It's a sweater over a dress, and this was with the dresses. And I don't know if it's a dress. I think it's a tunic at best. But the idea is there. If I was a college gal, I might be into this kind of thing. I found this little orange sweater and I thought it was cute. I put it over this debatable dress. Could be a tunic, could be a tank top. I'm not really sure about the footwear, but I feel like it's cute. I feel like it looks enough like Daphne, especially with my blue light glasses on and my hair doing whatever it's doing right now. I think Velma wears a mini dress, right? So there we go. Very Velma. All right, that's what I was able to put together in like 30 minutes of shopping at Goodwill. So I'm gonna get back in my normal clothes. I'll meet you in the car.
Well, hey, we are back at my car and I'm currently sitting halfway out of it to get a little lighting because it got real dark while I was inside the Goodwill. Can you see my face? Can you actually see it in this lighting? Fabulous. Oh God, the shadows, ugh, make me look so creepy. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope you feel inspired. Even if it's the last minute and you don't have a Halloween costume, there are places you can go to get something quick and easy. Goodwill is full of inspiration, and other thrift stores as well, because I have issues with Goodwill. I don't love all their business practices, but that's what's around me. Let me know what you think of the outfits I put together down below.
And don't forget to comment with costume ideas for pieces that you saw me not pick up in this video. I'm excited to see what you guys come up with.
I gotta tell you guys, sorry if I'm a little weird in this video. I've just had a really weird, oddly existentially stressful kind of day. So I just wanted to come out and make some Halloween outfits and forget about it all. And I still have to go home and deal with some of it, not at home. Like, it's not a problem at home. Like, me and my boyfriend and my cats are all fine. But when I get home, I have to read an email. I don't have to read the email, but I'm gonna read the email. It's been a weird conversation. Anyway, let me know if you've had days like that, recently or not recently, and what you do to cope. Me, I vlog, turns out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and set your notifications to all so you can keep in touch with everything going on here in the neighborhood on my channel, which is growing, ever growing, and I'm so excited. We're real close to 1,200, by the way. Thank you so much to the recent subscribers. It's so nice to have you here in the neighborhood. By the way, I am on Instagram at PrettyHippieMe, so when you do get to your Halloween costume creation, tag me. I want to see, you know? Thank you so much. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you and your time and the fact that you are spending your time here with me. So much love. Bye. Oh, maybe this lighting was better. I don't know.